Hey guys, Joey here. Just want to do a little bit of a day trading recap, show you my trades that I took today that made me on my 50K funded account, made me $350. And on my 150K combine account, I made a little over $1,111, which I'm going to show you guys in a minute. So let me break it down for you guys real quick. So I'm going to do things a little bit differently and show you start off with the 5 minute time frame. So one thing I wanted to explain to you guys was that I did start the 150K account combine. Basically, I got a profit like 9K, which is about 6% for me to pass it. I go through Top Step. It's just to get another funded account, another source of income. Um, so what I plan on doing is I plan on using the 50K account for scalping trades, real short trades, and then I plan on using the 150K account for my 15-minute open range breakout trades. So more like intraday trading type of stuff. So we opened up at 9:30 a.m. Market was pretty bullish during pre-market, especially leading up to the market opening up. As you can see, we traded sideways for a minute, and then we had a nice breakout. Once we had that nice breakout and we had a nice open on the 5 minute above the 15-minute top, which is where in the first 15 minutes here, I'm just going to show you guys just to make it easier. So on the for the first 15 minutes, this was the highs that it hit, and this was the lows. Once on the five, once I got it open on the 5 minute time frame that was above it, I went long, and I think I'm pretty positive I made around $600 trading this one right here. As you can see, this 5 minute candlestick right here, we had a nice open above. The moment we opened above it, I went long. I rode it to about right here. So I missed out on probably maybe like an extra $200, but hey, profit is profit. I can't really complain. And then as you can see, the moment we had that breakout, we had a really nice rally, and then we had a really nice strong pullback all the way down to the 15-minute lows. So yeah, there was that first trade of the day. And then I want to also show you my second trade that made me the most money, which was off of the 150K account. And that was right here. So I just want to explain to you guys what I saw. I definitely saw that even though, like, we pulled back, we bounced off the lows, we went back to the highs. Once I saw a reject and we pulled back down, I wanted to wait for a lower high on the 5 minute to really, dictate where direction was going to be. Mainly because direction was so unclear on the 1 minute time frame for about the first 30 minutes. Then we had the nice breakout, and then after we had that strong pullback, all the way till like around 11:30, I think, was when we finally had direction starting to become clear. So around right here, around 11:20, 11:25, I noticed that we were hitting a lower high, and then I felt a lot more confidence in going short. So I went short around right here, and then I averaged up once we got a break below the EMA, and then I even averaged up again when we had a breakout on the downside of the 15-minute open range strategy, and I rode it till around the EMA. And so that alone made me around $700. And so that was like the first two trades I took with my 150K account, which I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to show you guys my P&Ls at the very end because it is 11:30 Eastern time. Top Step has already processed my trade, so that's why you don't see anything on my open P&Ls nor my daily loss limit. But yeah, that's my 150K account. And then I'm going to go back to my 1 minute, which is when I really was trading my 50K account. So I won't lie to you guys. I did lack a little bit of patience this morning. And I did have a hard time really trying to get myself to wait until direction was clear. I was a little itchy, you know. I already made like $400 or $500 like right off the bat, first thing in the morning. As you can see, this nice rally right here. You know, I was already excited to have my 150K account up a little, so I was really eager to get my 50K account up. So um, I did have one red trade, and this is actually where I want to show you is when we had this massive pull down right here all the way down to 15 minute, like the lows of the 15 minute first 15 minutes, and we formed this nice support. When we cracked this moving average right here, I did go short, and as you can see, we started to form a really nice support and started until we pushed up on the Nasdaq futures. And so I took like a loss of like 250, and what actually made me $350 was once we got the rejection at the EMA, as you can see right here. Let me zoom in for you guys. So once we pushed up and we hit this range, and I saw that we were getting rejected and we weren't making progress on the upside, I knew that we were going to continue on the downside and pull back. So I went short once we had a break below the EMA, and then I averaged up again once we had an open below the EMA, and then I wrote it down to around right here when we started to really hit this nice support range. And then that's just when I was like, you know what, we're not seeing progress. You know, the moment you open a trade, you open yourself up to risk. So I just got out real quick, and thankfully I did, because as you can see, we pushed up again, and yeah. And then another trade I did, yeah, I actually showed you guys this already. This is what you guys would have seen on the 5 minute. We hit a lower high, as you can see right here. We didn't even hit the top range like it had been right here, right here, right here, and right here, even right here. So when we hit right here and we had that um, lower high, I knew that we were going to pull back pretty nice. I was just waiting. I was just really hoping to see some momentum, and that's what we did. So got in on this short right here, wrote it down to around right here, and that's the trade that made me like the $700 on the 150K account. So yeah, for those who don't know, the 150K account that I'm working on getting it through a prop firm called Top Step. They have really good deals going on right now. For the 150K account, it's usually $375 to start, and right now it's only $149 a month until the deal ends. Once that deal ends, it'll go right back to its original price. So my goal was to do the same thing I did with the 50K account and be step one in around 3 to 3.5 weeks. I do have to profit around 9K, which is about 6%. So that's why I do plan on sort of using the more intraday, longer holding trades, excuse me, for that account, because I can make a lot more. And obviously, you know, I'm trying to hurry up, and I'm trying to be patient, but also at the same time beat it in a timely manner, because last thing I want is to me, get rebuild and like the deal ends and I get charged like $375, and I know we all wouldn't want that. We would all like that really nice deal of 150 instead of paying 375. So yeah, I'm definitely going to keep you guys really updated on that. Um, and I'm going to show you my P&Ls at the end. If you guys got any questions, please feel to please comment below. Please like and subscribe down here. If there's any videos that you guys would really like to see me make or talk about, I'd love to. Just let me know. I'll see you guys Monday. I hope you guys have a good day.